Hey everybody, I got a quick hit for you here. A little quick drywall patch. I had a outlet that was placed in the wrong spot. It was a little bit high, so I had to lower it. Electricians put it in the wrong spot, so I need to lower it. What I did was cut a piece about a 1/2 inch bigger on either side, 3 sides, because this side will be on the top of the box. And I just peeled them off. I cut them on the back, peeled off the back drywall, the actual drywall, and that leaves me with these little tapered corners. I put this piece of 1x3 in here. I ripped it down a little bit so I could slide it in here. I put a screw in it here, pulled it back with that screw, ran this screw through the drywall up here. That keeps it snug, gives me a nice piece of backer piece to put on here, and this fits in there perfectly. Ain't my problem. Maybe this knife is too big for this little job, maybe. What do you think? Maybe. All right, I'm gonna slap that on there like so. I'm gonna run that screw in. Just one screw in the middle. You want to make sure you got enough mud there to hold that stuff on, that paper. I've seen this done before.
This is a hot mix, so I won't have, ooh, so I won't be, that looks not, that doesn't look too bad. Got her smashed down there. Here. Alright, I'm going to put a little mud over top of the whole thing.
Cover it up so it can be sand.
This side over here is a real nightmare because of the... Watch me shock myself. Ah, look at that. This side might end up having to just be sanded down.
There. Okay. There it is. Fixed. That's a quick hit. That's how you fix a drywall. I took a Sawzall. I took my Sawzall, put it up again the doorway, made sure that this blade wasn't going to poke through the other side of the drywall, using my shoe to adjust it. Once I did that, I cut the nails, and I cut them easy so I didn't cut any wires. Then I cut the drywall down after I leveled it off with this box over here. I leveled those 2 boxes off, and then I cut it out, moved it down, screwed a couple of drywall screws into the side of the box into the stud. It's as solid as it ever was. And then I did my repair on the drywall. Quick and easy, took me about 15 minutes.
I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe.